Come here, my love. Let's put your dress on. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Tayo ay may tighiyawat for today's video. Look at that. Mukhang darating na yung bisita ni Mami New this month. Put your dress on. Aren't you cold? No?
I got poo-poo.
That's better. 1, 2, ready? Go! I'll do your hair. Say good morning, guys. Hey. Okay. Are you yawning? Are you fake yawning? Yeah. Good morning. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok, guys. She is, having a wet look today. Kasi alam niyo ba ang ginawa niya kahapon? Pinaglaruan niya ang lip balm ni Mami niyo. Yung Vaseline na yung ganyan kalaki. I was wondering why she was very quiet. Guys, pagkatingin ko sa kanya, nilagay niya all over her face, her hair, her body. Kaagad-agad dinala ko sa shower, guys. And then pagkalabas ko, I realized, ay, pinagay niya sa wall, sa door.
Mommy!
Ay, itong batang talaga to, eh.
Mommy!
Hang on, I'll do your hair quickly. Ikaw na talaga, nak.
Mommy, why are you talking to the camera?
Yeah, I'm talking to Tita and Tito.
I'm just
Say
talking.
hi, guys.
Hi guys, the channel.
That's right. See, because they're watching you.
Hey.
Careful, nak, because you might hit the camera.
Ah.
Let me just do your hair.
Hey, ladies. What is doing my hair?
Mama's making your hair look beautiful. Oh, okay. Shelby, look. Woo! Beautiful girl! Bahog taing nga pa to.
Let's jump in.
Can you say baho?
I go to
Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung ginawa niya, oh. Sinulat-sulatan ang kanyang paa. So, pumunta kami ng garage kahapon. Nakita ko yung boots ni Ate Paris from Melbourne. Kasya na pala sa kanya, guys. Medyo masikip na nga. Pero suot ko sa kanya. Alam niyo bang ginawa niya, guys? Alam niyo bang ginawa niya? Sinuot niya. She looked wonderful. And a few minutes later, napansin ko, she's doing naughty things again. Sinulat-sulatan niya ang ballpen, guys. Yan yung paa niya. Yung boots. Ngayon, ang boots ay ayoko nang gamitin kasi pangit ng tingnan, guys. Very marumi na tingnan. Ate Paris used that for a few years. No issues. Ito, pinasuot ko. Ilang minuto lang. Wa na. Guba na.
Jump with me.
Okay, just one. Wow! Yum, 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 yum. We're getting ready kasi
Mama, when
nag-message na si Koya, guys, na papunta na po ako. LBC. Yes. Papadala na natin yung ating dalawang box, guys. It's been there for a while now. At sabi ko sa sarili ko, it has to go kasi sobrang dami ko nang kailangang ipadala ulit. So, actually, hindi ko sinabi sa family ko, guys, kasi gusto ko surprise. But, for sure, yung mama ko manonood nito, alam na niya, Ma, the boxes are coming. The boxes are coming. Kasi gusto kong surprise ba sa kanila na pagkarating sa Pinas, uy, nandun na, ganun. But, i-vlog mo natin, o, paano na yan? Yung mama ko, hindi man yan absent sa aking mga vlogs. So, malalaman niya talaga. Baka nandito na si Kuya. Hello, Jovi speaking. Ay, sige, coming down po. Correct. Opo. Thank you. I'll come down. Salamat. Okay. I'll move it too. Teka muna, labas ako. Labas ako. Thank you. Stay here, Louie. We'll just go downstairs because Tito is here to pick up the boxes now. Louie. Come on, mate. Go back. Okay, go on. Stay there, Louie. It's okay. Stay with... Anak, wait for Mama. Patulong ako kay Daddy Mike kasi mabigat yung boxes eh. Minnie, wait for Mama. Alright, boxes. I'm super excited.
Mommy.
This is for Tito. That will go to Lula, Tita Mimi, and Lolo Tito. Oh my goodness. Kaka-excite. Close the... Come on down, guys. Close the... Hello. So I ordered another 2 empty boxes, guys, kasi
Sa Misok Oriental.
marami pong pick up today. That goes to Lula.
5 plus 20 plus 280 po.
Yeah, I have to 70 kasi yun nga yung 10.
Maybe you can get one box
One
only.
box na lang. Yeah,
one box
yeah,
only
yeah.
and then para lang. Yeah. So,
There you go.
70 na lang. Ano?
Thank you. Oo.
Tapos ano na lang po, kunin ko na lang po yung isang papel nito.
Oo, okay. Sige.
Nasaan po yung isang
Ganun
papel
na.
na binigay ko sa inyo kanina?
Ah, may papel ba? Did
Oh, yeah,
give it to
yeah,
you? Ah, okay. I'll return one. Okay. Well, now I know next time. Kailangan kong i-keep. From last year pa kasi siguro ito eh. Kaya na ano lang sa
So,
Aparador.
po yung inyong pera.
Ay, mayroon pa palang sukli. Thank you.
4, 6, 8. Ay, ano po?
Okay, salamat po. Ingat. Have a good day.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye, boss!
See you, Philippines. Halik na lang kami sa Pinas.
Car. Oh, are you driving the car?
Yes, I'm driving the car. You come with me. We gotta pick up the box, okay? Because our LBC box been picked up already. See? Bye-bye. Kunan natin ano. Bye-bye, boxes. See you, Lula. Now, that is here. Punta tayo sa, pick upin natin yung box natin, delivery na mga stock. Okay, quick. You don't have your shoes on. It's okay. We're picking up only anyways. Naalis na yung box, guys. Ewan ko kung bakit ako naiiyak. Hopefully, makakarating ng safe kasi puno na rin yung puso ko ng takot, guys, dahil sa mga nangyari before na nawala yung laman ng box, nakaka-trauma ba, parang pinagmamasdan ko yung van na paalis. Yeah, parang takot na kaba na saya yung nararamdaman ko. Very happy kasi 8 to 10 weeks ay makakarating na yung ating box. So, I'm happy kasi mapapasaya ng box na yun yung yung family ko sa Pinas. What, Elsa? There you go. We got the box already, guys. Yan, mag-unbox na naman si mami niyo mamaya. Goodness, marami na naman tayong stock dyan. Andito kami sa, ngayon? Total Fusion. Sa gym ni Daddy Mike. Hindi siya mag-gym ha. But, apparently, meron daw silang, masarap daw yung kape nila dito. So, may cafe kasi sila sa loob. Oh, wow, yeah, nice ka.
Gado ka?
May cafe sila sa loob and sabi ni Daddy Mike, masarap daw. So, dito kami bibili ng aming hot drinks. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, yung gym na to daw ay para sa maraming mayaman. Yung mga sasakyan nila dito, guys, ay talagang pang malakasan. Hey, it looks nice. Lang batang ito ay hindi man nagsapatos. Oy, anak.
Mommy, it's just a gym.
No, it's a gym, but it's a cafe. So we go to the cafe. Okay?
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Ay, so sweet. Ala, That's very nice, Daddy. Daddy.
Nice.
Ayan, full tank ulit tayo guys. And luckily, tingnan nyo, cheaper yung petrol today kumpara sa last time na nagpa-petrol tayo. So, C57.95 liters, $106 lang. Oh. Very cloudy and rainy sa Brisbane today guys. May ginaw na rin. Winter na.
Get him, cheeky boy. Come on.
Yui! Yui!
Get him.
No.
Cheeky boy.
Have your hands down now.
Get him. No. Cut him now. You hurt him. Oi!
Yui! What are you doing?
This is the phone of Illuminati.
That's why it seems like we got him for her. Remember the first time? Huh? No, Celine's crying when Louis around. And now they're best friends.
Stop it!
Come on, we gotta go pick up Ate na.
No, I'm doing handstand.
Are you taking Louis for a walk?
No.
When you get back.
Ow! What time check tayo, guys? Uy, nagising si Madam. It's 5 o'clock. Andito kami ngayon sa new farm. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Tingnan nyo mukha, oh. Nagising. Nagising siya pang salita ako. Look where we are, Ate. Oh. Where are we? May pinick up kami dito, guys. Nasa likuran ng sasakyan. Pakita ko mamaya. Hintayin ko si Baby Celine magising kasi punta kami dyan. Oh, dadalhin ko sila dyan. Ayan, gelato. I think may waffle din sila dyan eh. Pasok tayo dyan. But, hintayin muna natin konti.
What did you say?
Look where we are. Come here in the front seat. Mama, we'll wait for Celine for a little bit. Kasi naghanap pa si Baby Celine eh. Sure na, Ate? Hmm? How's school, Ate? Kubuto sa buhok ko eh. I love you. Look, we have to cut your fried chicken lang mo. It's poking your eyes. Come here, the front door here. We'll give Lini at least 20 minutes if she's still.
Then what?
We'll go there.
Gelato.
No, maybe we'll get the yeah, okay. Promise we'll eat the dinner though. Daddy said he's going to cook chicken.
Okay.
Cold? Yes! What is it you want?
I want lemon.
Strawberry?
I want lemon.
Lemon? Okay. Strawberry.
Can I have a sample?
There you go. Look at them. Mama's having chocolate. Feeling yung Celine eh. Kakagising lang.
I'll try mine.
Try yours? Wow, that's so yummy. I'll just go pay, okay? I'll just go pay. We have grapple too. Do you want to exchange? Okay, wait a minute. Thank you.
I'm fed.
She said for 10 seconds right now, you have to say.
Thank you.
I tried strawberries too.
Yummy?
Even though I don't like chocolate, I want to try.
Want to try this, Steph? Strawberry.
Dang it! I'll still love that chocolate.
Daddy pig.
Picking up Daddy from the gym.
Daddy pig. Daddy pig. Daddy pig.
Diba, andyan kami kanina? Oo. Nagkape.
Daddy pig. Daddy pig. Daddy pig. Daddy pig. Daddy pig.
Did you have ice cream?
Yeah.
It's not obvious, Daddy.
A chocolate one.
Look, show me your face, Lynn. Oh my God. Look, show me your face, ate. Oh my goodness. Okay, go get back to your seat now so we can go home.
That's it. So go home.
Talking to the mirror. You hear the song and now she's like, you can open the door. Dad, you can open the door.
Good night, guys. Finally, makakatulog na rin si mami niyo. Ay! What's happening? Gila mo si mami niyo, guys. Ayan, nakapaglagay na tayo ng ating SY Glow na rejuvenating. Hopefully, kinisa tayo niyan. Ang aking mata talaga, guys. So, sa mata, makikita ang aking damdamin. Grabe, sobrang sleepy ka na, guys.
Guys?
Pulang-pula ng aking mata. Oh.
Guys, can you see my bubble
Let's go turn light off.
tea?
Hurry up.
Ooh.
I can wait it.
Okay, come on.
Say goodnight here first. Say goodnight. Good night. Umiiyak. Gusto niyang mag-turn the light off. Okay. Say goodnight, guys. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna turn the light off.